Hi, you watching your favorite YouTube channel, Learning Digital. Here we learn digital world things, so subscribe this channel for more digital world videos. Welcome. In this video we will learn how to use, choose and include hashtags in your Instagram post to reach your target audience on Instagram. Let's return to our Instagram app. Here you can see a post from Visit Australia with corresponding hashtags. Take a look at the variety of hashtags chosen for this image. Hashtags are like the SEO, the search engine optimization on Instagram. Adding hashtags to your images on Instagram will increase the chances of your posts being found and seen by users on Instagram. When publishing a new post and adding hashtags, your post will not only be shown in a feed but can also be located through the corresponding hashtag. Let me show you how it works. When you click on the hashtag, a new window will open. You can now see the amount of posts using this hashtag and also the top posts with that same hashtag. Click now on the search bar and enter a keyword that you would like to look up on Instagram. You will then see the corresponding Instagram page first, but then a little further down you will actually also see the hashtag with this matching name. By clicking on the hashtag, you will be guided to the corresponding hashtag page. Search for matching hashtags to your business. You will want to create a list of relevant hashtags that you can apply to your posts. Think of keywords and look them up on Instagram. We will now discover an amazing tool to find and sort hashtags. In a new tab, enter the website metahashtags.com. In the center of the page, you will see the search bar. Here you can enter any keyword or hashtag of your choice. Let's try it out and enter a keyword. Then click on Generate Hashtags. You will then be guided to a new page that shows you a variety of similar hashtags matching your topic. Right on top, you will see the hashtag that you entered and below it, the number of posts using this hashtag. From my search, you can tell that the general hashtag vacation is too generic and widespread. With over 137 million posts using this hashtag, it is difficult to stand out. In order to be noticed by users, you have to be more specific with your hashtag. As an example, you can see that the hashtag summer vacation is less represented on social media. There are only 4 million posts in comparison to 137 million. Now it's your turn. Complete your list of go-to hashtags with the help of the meta hashtag locator. Take your time to sort out corresponding hashtags for your business and your posts. Maybe you'll find some new suggestions. Afterwards, you can return to your Instagram tab. As you can see here, there is space for up to 30 hashtags to every post. You will also want to think about creating a branded hashtag. This is a hashtag with close connection to your business. It can be, for example, your company name, the name of a product or a marketing slogan. Branded hashtags create a direct connection between your followers and your business. You can promote your latest products and more. You can even add your branded hashtag to your bio. Here you can see an example on the screen from the cupcake bakery Totally Cupcakes. In their posts, they use the branded hashtag Totally Cupcakes. Now think about branded hashtags for your business and add them to your list. You will always want to keep the list with you in order to add your hashtags. Congratulations! In this task, you learned how to use, choose, and include hashtags in your Instagram posts in order to reach your target audience on Instagram.